Hi, my name is Mandy Bell and I've created this video for PIDP 3240 assignment number 2. What is a hybrid course? Merriam-Webster defines it as having two different types of components performing essentially the same function. We see many hybrids in our areas of life, such as the hybrid tea rose. And a hybrid course is essentially the same when it comes to education. A hybrid course is a method of delivery where students can learn with some traditional face-to-face learning and online or distance learning. The words hybrid and blended are often used interchangeably as an approach to education combining online educational materials, ultimately pulling pieces of a puzzle together to fit our life. But why are hybrid courses becoming the gold standard for adult learning? Essentially, we need to break down the barriers that we face in adult learning. The hybrid course takes advantage of the best features of traditional face-to-face learning and online or distance learning at a time and place convenient for the student. But with everything, there is always pros and cons. First, let's start with the pros. Flexibility. We can learn at a time and place convenient for the student. We can reread course materials and lectures. We can have instant grading in order to receive immediate feedback. As well, hybrid courses provide the opportunity for international learners in one cohort. Can reduce travel costs for faculty and students, as well as in-class meet and greet of students and instructors will humanize the group. We can learn materials in a variety of methods that are valuable for the real world. But some disadvantages are that we do need good management and organizational skills. There may also be a digital divide for technology skills and resources among the students, and the interaction and social stimulus can sometimes hamper friendships and networking opportunities. Younger students may feel isolated and have unclear expectations. So do we ask, is a hybrid or blended course right for me? We know that there's a comparable amount of time on assignments, projects, and presentations. There will also be multiple interactions via webinars, discussion boards, social media, and apps. We can learn new methods of delivery and interactions with classmates and teachers. So why do we ask, is post-secondary breaking out of the old tradition of face-to-face learning? Leaders in our communities, that's what we want to be, and to do this we need to keep in step with the next generation. We have an increased number of part-time students. This requires flexible learning and a delivery to accommodate needs of work and family. There's many paths to our education. We have to find the best one for us. These pathways to success will promote intrinsic motivation, which leads to lifelong learning. This learning, in turn, makes mountains into molehills. We all have dreams and goals that we want to achieve, and accessing the blended or hybrid course can help make those dreams into a reality. This will unlock the greatest potential that we possess, knowledge.